Jai Bole to all my dear students and welcome to the session for the class 6 chapter number 1 knowing our numbers from the subject mathematics. Basically the subject mathematics is dealing with the number, and here again we are dealing with the numbers in details. Let us start with the session. There are few MCQ based questions, conceptual questions. Let us go through this. Question number 1 is the smallest 8-digit number is called. Now when it's come to the smallest 8-digit number, we know that in the number series, the smallest number is the number 0. Now here, 8-digit smallest number is asked, but if we put up 8 zeros, it doesn't make any sense. Okay, so what we will do is, we will put up 7 zeros first, and at the initial starting after 7 zeros we will be putting up with the 1. Okay, now what has happened? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 zeros and the 1. So now this is the smallest 8-digit number we got. Now let us count through the place value: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So what we get? The smallest 8-digit number is called 1 crore. Move to the second part, second question. Which of the following is not a symbol to write Roman numeral? As we are knowing that this is the direct question, because 500 is denoted by D, V means 5, M means 1000. So it means what? N is not there. N is never been in there, the Roman numerals. Okay. So the N will be the correct option here. Now, moving on to the third one. If we add one more to the greatest 5-digit number we get. Okay, greatest 5-digit number we have to create. The single digit greatest number is number 9. And if we add the greatest 5-digit number with 1 plus 1, then what happens? 9 plus 1 is 0, 1 carry, 0, 1 carry, again 10, so 0, 1 carry, again 10, 0, 1 carry and 10. So all the rest of the numbers are 0 and 1 is there. So what we get? This is the smallest number, and how many digits number is there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6. Okay, so what we get? The smallest 6-digit number. It means what? The option D is correct. Moving on to the fourth one. The smallest 4-digit number using any 1 digit twice from the number. Now what they have asked, we have to make the smallest number, right? So whenever we have asked to make the smallest number, always start with the smallest number in putting according to that place values. Now how many digits? We want for the 4 digits. So if we go through the place value chart, then for the 4 digit there should be till 1000, means ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now we have to make it a smallest 4-digit number. So obviously at the ones place I will put up the highest number, means the biggest number. Here in 2, 8 and 9 it's 9. Then I will put up 8. Then I will put up the smallest number at the starting. Now what they have asked, 1 digit twice can be used to make it the 4 digit, as we have been given with the 3 numbers only, 3 digits only. So what we have to repeat one more digit. 1 digit can be used twice. Now again, what is the condition? Smallest 4-digit number. So we will repeat the number which is small. So here 2 is the smallest. So I will repeat the 2. So what we get? The smallest 4-digit number from 2, 8, 9 by repeating 1 digit is 2289. It means the option B is correct. Moving with the question number 5, the smallest 4-digit number having 3 different digits, right? 3 different digits should be used. So as we move with the question, option 1, 1000 is there. We all know that smallest 4-digit number is 1000. But how many digits should be there? 3 different digits should be there, but here only 0 and 1, 2 digits are used. If we go through the option number 2, here 4 digits are used, that is 1, 2, 0 and 3. In the option number C, again 4 digits are used, 1, 3, 2 and 0. But in the option number D, it's a 4 digit number, as well as the second condition it is satisfying, that 3 different digits, that is 1, 0 and 2 is used. So option number D will be the correct option here. Moving with the question number 6. Question number 6 says, which of the following option is equal to triple M double C L double X V minus M triple C double X I V? Now we know that M is representing 1000 in the Roman numeral system, C is for 100, L is for 50, X is for 10, V is for 5. If we try to solve this first one, so there are 3 M is repeatedly. So it means 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. What does it make? It makes 3000 plus 2 C's are there, 100 plus 100, it means 200, plus L means 50, and 2 times X means 10 plus 10 is 20, and the V is representing 5. If we add up all this, it will give us answer as 3200, 50 plus 20 will be 70, and the 5. So the first number is 3275. If we try to sort this out, M means 1000, 3 times C, it means 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. 2 times X, it means 20, and IV is representing 4. So it will be giving the number as 1324. What if we subtract the things? 3275 minus 1324. 5 minus 4, 1, 7 minus 2 is 5. 2 can't be subtract 3. So here it will be 12 and here it will be 2. So 12 minus 3 is 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. Now what number we have got? We have got 1951. 1951. But how to write this one? Now we know that for the thousands, this is at the thousands place, this is at the hundreds place, this is tens and this is ones. Okay. For 1, we represent I. Okay, so at the end I should be there for the 1. But if we go through the options, in the 3 option I is also there. Now for the tens place 5, it means 50. 50 is represented by L. Okay, it is represented by L. So it means at the end there should be L and I. Now again if we watch carefully, then option B and option C, both the option have L and I at the end. Now which option will be the correct one? Now going through this is the important thing. Now at the 100 place is the 900. So how does 900 is represented by? Now there are 2 options remaining. In one option it is written M and C. Okay, whenever M and C means what? It means 1000, and on the right hand side C is there, it means plus 100. So M and C makes it 1100. Whereas in the option C it is CM. C is on this side and M is on this side. It is representing M is here, and on the left side C is there. It will represent 1000 minus 100. That will be equal to 900. As you see that at the 100 place 900 is there. It means what? Option C will be the correct option, as it is MCMLI. Okay, so which is representing 1951. Moving on to the second one. Which pair has the same digit at the 100 place? Okay, as we can see that here 4 numbers are there, means 4 place value will be there. It means 1000, 100, 10 and ones. Again we are comparing with the 2 numbers, so let us write it 2 times and put up the number here. Okay, the first pair 4, 2, 3, 2. 4, 3, 4, 1. At the 100 place if we check, here it's 3, here it's 2. What the question have asked? Question have asked that they should have same digit. So first option is rejected. Second one, 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 9, 2. Again, here it's 9, here it's 4. Again, second option is rejected. Move to the third one. 6, 5, 2, 4. Then 7, 8, 2, 3. Again, here at the 100 place 5, here it's 8. Again rejected. We want same digit at the 100 place. Let us try with the last option is remaining. So it's 2, 3, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4, 0. So at the 100 place, here it's 3, here it's 3. We got the same value at the 100 place. It means the option D is the correct option. Moving further with the 8th question. Which of the following is true? Okay, now let us try to first sort out the things that what has been given in the Roman numeric system. What are these numbers? X and C, it represents 90 and V113. It means 90 plus 8 and 90 plus 8 is equal to 98. The sign is in this side. Now here M, C and 8. So M representing 1000, C representing 100 and 8. So 1000 plus 100 plus 8 which is equal to 1108. But the sign has been shown that 98 is greater. So first option is rejected. Moving to the second one, D, C and 8. D representing 500, C representing 100 and plus 8, it means 608. 500 plus 100 is 600 and plus 8. Sign is on to this side. And M is representing 1000 plus C representing 100 and V and triple I representing 8. Okay, it's 100, sorry. And 8. So it is making 1108. So here we got the answer. This is the right condition, right? 608 is less than 1108. So we got our answer as option 2. Okay. No further solution is required for C and D as we have already got our answer. Now moving on to the 9th one. Now what did they have said is the greatest 4-digit number using any one digit twice from the numbers 7, 1 and 2. Now we have to make the greatest number, right? In the initial stage we got a 3-digit number and we have to make it the smallest. Now we have to make it a greatest and one number is can be used twice. So okay, 4 digit is there. So 1000, 100 and tens and ones. Now as we are moving for the greatest number, okay, we will be putting up the smallest number at the ones place. Now the smallest out of 7, 1 and 2 is 1. Then after comes 2. Then after comes 7. Now all the 3 digits are used. One number can be used twice. And we have to make it a greatest 4-digit number. So we will use the greater number twice, that is the number 7. And so which makes the number as 7721. It means what? Option B is the correct answer. Moving further with the question number 10. Question number 10 says that the difference between face value and place value of the phi in 210517 is. Okay. Now the difference between the place value and place value is face value represents the value of the number as it is. Means if here it's a phi, so face value of phi will also be phi. Okay. Let us write the face value of phi. Always remember that the face value is the value of the number itself. It will be as it is. So face value of phi will be the same phi. Now but what if comes with the place value? Place value We will be again finding it out by using the place value chart. Okay, now if I will draw the chart, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. So we will moving with the 6 places. So it will reach till lakhs. Now putting up the number in the chart value. So here 7, 1, 5, 0, 1, 2. Okay. So the number is 2,10,517. Now what is the place value? This is the place value. Okay. So now we have to identify the place value of number 5. Now number 5 is at 100 place. It means what? The place value of 5 is equal to 5 into 100, as it is at the 100 place, and that will make it as 500. Now what we have to find? We have to find the difference between face value and place value. So face value of 5 is 5, place value of 5 is 500. So difference we have to identify. So we will subtract 500 minus 5. Okay, now this can't be subtracted, so it will carry from here. It will become 10. Again this will carry to it, so it will become 10 and 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 and 4 as it is. So here we got the option C as the correct answer. Moving further with the question number 11. Make the greatest 4-digit number by using one digit twice by 3, 8 and 7. Okay, 3, 8 and 7. We have to make the greatest. Again, as it is, just now we have done the 9th question, same repeated one. Only the digits have been changed. As we want the greatest 4 digits, so it's 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. We have want greatest, right? So at the one place we will take the smallest number. So smallest number out of this 3 is 3. Then it comes 7 and then it comes 8. But what? We want 4-digit greatest number, and one number can be used twice. So we will use the greatest number twice out of this 3, and out of this 3 the greatest number is 8. So 8 will be written twice. So we get answer as 8,873. That is the option B. Now moving further with the 12th question. Okay, what does 12th question says? Write the greatest 4-digit number using the digits with 6 in the 10th place. Okay, we want the greatest number as well as at the 10th place we want 6. Okay, so now ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Here we want 6. Okay, here we want 6. Rest of the number we don't know, but the condition is at the 10th place 6 should be there. Okay, if we go through the options, only one option is there, such a kind that 6 is at the 10th place. So if I write this here 9, 8 and 7. So option B is only satisfying the condition for 6 in the 10th place. So option B will be the correct answer. Again moving with the next one. Now here numeral to the Roman numbers or the Roman numerals, right? The value is 2765. Now as we all know that M represents 1000. So for 2000 we will be requiring twice of M, right? This has been done. Now what does we need? We need 700. Okay, 700. D means 500 and C means 100. Means if we want to split up 700, it means we can write 500 plus 100 plus 100, right? So it means what? 500 is denoted by D, 100 is by C, 100 is by C. So DCC will be representing the 700. Now moving into the options, we have find that option A and option C have the same starting MMDCC. Okay, now what has been remained? We need 6 at the tens place. It means it is representing 60. It is representing 60 and 60 is denoted by L and X. L for 50 and this is for 10. So 50 plus 10 is 60. Now if we look at from the A and C option, in the C option LX is there. Okay, and the last one is V. Here XL is there, which is representing 40, not the 60. But this is LX is representing 60. So option C will be the correct for the number 2765 in the numeral form, and in the Roman numeral value it is MMDCCLXV. Moving further with the 14th question. The smallest 4-digit number using the digits 2137 without repetition is. Now here they have asked no repetition should be there, and we have the 4 digits also, different 4 digits are there, as well as we have to make it the smallest one. And now we are moving with the smallest one according to the place values. Now if we want the smallest one number, we have to put up the number at the one place, the biggest out of this 4. So the biggest out of this 4 is 7. Then comes the 3, then comes 2, and then the smallest one at the initial stage. So 1, 2, 3, 7 is the option. A will be the correct answer for the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 2137 without any repetition. Okay. Moving on to the number 15th. Now, in the Indian place value system, we write 10 crore 4. Okay. In the Indian place value system, we write 10 crore for the which number in international system, right? 10 crore. Okay. If we write 10 crore, how many place values are there? Now, ones, tens, 100, 1000, lakhs, 10 lakh, crore, and 10 crore end up here, right? Now 10 crore has been end up here. Okay, one more thing is 1000 and this is 10,000, right? Okay, so let me put up this so it will be easier to identify the system. Okay, now 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and the 1. So this is how the 10 crore has been written. Now when it moving to with the millions part, means in the international place value system we have ones, tens and 100 as it is the same. But what happens from 1000 base it is 1000, then 10,000, then comes 100,000, then comes the millions part, so it becomes 1 million, then comes 10 million, and then comes the 100 million. So 10 crore represents at which place value in the international system? 100 millions. So it will be the option C. The correct option will be option C, that is 100 million. Moving with the question number 16. Face value of 5 into 150 is. See, they have asked the face value, so directly we have no need to solve the question. We have the answer. As already I have said that face value means the value of the number itself. So face value of 5 will be 5 itself. So here the option A will be the correct answer. If they have asked for the place value, then we have to arrange the number in the place value chart, but they have asked face value. So always remember, whenever the number has been asked for their face value, you have to write the number itself. Okay, let us move to the 17th one. Predecessor of 1997 is. Now the term predecessor means the number before, right? The number before 1997 is. Now to always find a predecessor of any number, we subtract 1 from that number. So if we subtract 1 from 997, So we always know that 7 minus 1 is 6, 9 as it is, 9 as it is, 1 as it is. So the predecessor for the number 1997 is 1996. So the option B is the correct one. Okay. Now moving further with the question number 18. The greatest 4-digit number using the digits 4, 7, 3, 2 without any repetition. Okay, fine. So we are moving with this sum, as we have already completed 3 to 4 sums like that. So again we are writing 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now what we want? The greatest one. So the greatest number when we want, we will put up smallest number out of this 4 at the ones place. So smallest out of this is 2, then 3, then 4, and then comes the 7. So what we get? The greatest 4-digit number using 4, 7, 3, 2 without any repetition is 7432. It means the option D is the correct option. Now question number 19. Correct ascending order of 847, 9754, 8320 and 571 is. Now the term ascending order means what? In the increasing order, again it means what? Smallest to biggest. Smallest number will be put up first and the biggest at the end. Okay, let us arrange the numbers. Now we want the smallest number, right? These two are of 4-digit number, means these two are bigger than this 3 digits number. Now out of this 3-digit number, 847 and 571. So we know that 571 is less than 847. So we will write 571 first, as we are moving smallest to biggest. Then it comes 847. Both the 3 digits value has been used up. Now we have to compare the 4-digit number. Okay, now 4-digit number 8. Here 8 is there, here 9 is there. We know that 8000 is less than 9000. So again we will be writing up with the 8320. What we have left? 9754. So this is the arrangement of these 4 numbers in the ascending order, that is smallest to biggest. So if we see through the options, the option B will be the correct one, that is 571, 847, 8320, 9754. Okay, let us move to the next question. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 1 to 10, both inclusive is. Okay, both inclusive means what? Both inclusive means it should be divisible by 1 and 10 also, and also by all the number in between. In between means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, including 1 and 10. All these numbers should divide the number perfectly. Okay, now if we see through the options, number 10, we can directly say that we can reject the number 10, as what they have asked? They have asked that it should be divisible by all the number in between 1 and 10 and also with 1 and 10. Now if we compare in between numbers, so 1 to 10, in between there is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 also. Now the number 10 is there. So 10 will not be divisible by 3 because 10 doesn't come in the table of 3. Then we will be moving with the number 100. I also reject this. Why? Because 100 is not coming in the table of 7 or 9 or 6. Okay. Now next coming with the 504. Okay, what happens with the 504? This value again I says that is rejected. Why? Because the ones place is 4. The numbers which have ones place, okay, which have ones place 0 and 5. These numbers only will be divisible by the number 5. Rest numbers will not be divisible by 5. Okay. So again 504 is rejected. So only the option D is left. So 2520 is the least number which is divisible by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. You can try this in detail by yourself by dividing this number with the each number. Okay. So option D is the correct one. Moving further with the question number 21. The successor of 999 is. See, in the previous page we have seen the predecessor. Predecessor means the previous number. So we were subtracting 1 from the given number. Now successor means the next number, very next number. Okay, so here we will add up the number, the given number with 1. So we can get the successor of that number. It means here 999 is there. So we will add up 1 in the 999. So it will be 9 plus 1, 0. 1 carry again 10, 0. 1 carry again 10. So the successor of 999 is 1000. So option A will be the correct one here. Now, and the 22nd question, this is the smallest question I can say is easiest it should be. We have asked which number is the greatest one. Now see, which number is the greatest one? Okay, at the thousandth place if we see 8, 4, 8, 8 is there. So 4 is the smallest, so we can neglect this part. Okay, option B has been rejected. Now if we go through the 100th place value, so here it's 1, here it's 4, here it's 2. So obviously we know that out of 1, 4 and 2, 4 is the greatest one, right? So 8412 will be the greatest number out of these 4 options. Okay, if here also the numbers will be same, then you need to check out with the 10th place, and then if in the 10th place the number also is same, then you have to check out with the 1st place, whichever the number is been greatest, right? Now write the numeral for the number 9 crore 5 lakhs and 41. Okay, we have to move till the crores place in the Indian place value chart. Let us first write the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs and the crore. Now in the crores there is 9. Then directly it's 5 lakhs. So at the lakhs place, okay, one more 10 lakh has been remaining here. Okay, this is L, this is 10 lakhs. Okay, then at the lakhs place we have the 5. Okay, then we have 41 directly. So 40 means it's the 10th place and 1 at the 1's place. So here what we have to write here, at the blank space we will be put upping with the zeros. Okay, so at the numeral form what we get, 9050041. So if we compare this with the options, so option B will be the right answer. It is representing 9 crore 5 lakhs and 41. Moving on to the question number 24. What is the place value of 8 in the number? Okay, place value of 8. Let us put up the place values. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore and the 10 crore. So 8 is representing at the 10 crores. So 8 multiply by 10 crore. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. So 8 into this. So it will be representing total of 80 crores. Okay, it will be representing 80 crores. So option B will be the correct answer. The smallest 5-digit number formed by using the digits 5, 0, 3, 1 and 2 only once. The number is smallest. So at ones place we will be putting up with the largest number out of this. So ones, tens, 100, 1000 and the 10,000 as it is 5 digit. So largest out of this is 5. Okay. Now next is we will be putting up with the 3. Now what happens? 2. Now if I put up 0 at here, it doesn't make any sense because we will be ignoring the 0 at the front and then it will be 1, 2, 3, 5 only, and it will become a 4-digit number. So what we have to do, we will be, instead of taking 1 here, we will be putting up 0 here and the 1 will be given here, so it can make a sensible number, right? So the smallest 5-digit number using 50312 is 10235. That is the option C will be the correct answer, not the option B, because if you put up the 0 at the front of this number, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make it a 5-digit number, it again make it a 4-digit number, smallest 4-digit number using this values. So we do not put up 0 at the 10,000th place, we need to put up 1 at the 10,000th place and 0 at the 1000th place to make it a proper 5-digit number. Next, question number 26. Which of the following is the greatest? Now see, now the things comes, okay. Now the things comes, let me just put this out of this, all the things. And so we can have a clear idea how we are comparing the number. Okay, so first option is 7212. Next is 7122. Next is 7211. Next is 7221. Okay. Now see the things. At the thousandth place, all are 7. All the numbers are same. Okay. So we need to check out for the greatest number in the 100th place. Now at the 100th place, here 2, 1, 2, 2. Okay, 1 is smaller than the 2. So this number will be rejected as we are moving for the greatest number. We need to find the greatest number. Okay. So this 3 are remaining now. Now again, if we are moving with the 1, 1 and 2 at the 10th place, if we compare, so here it's the 2, it is the greatest at the 10th place also, right? So here 1, 2, 3 numbers at the 3 place values are greatest in this number. Rest 1 and 1 are being smaller than this. So what we have been left? We have been left with the 7221. So it means option D will be here correct option. The greatest number out of this 4 is 7221. Now moving on to the question number 27. Make the greatest 4-digit number by using any 1 digit twice. Okay, again 1 digit can be used twice and we have to make the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number. Greatest number, it means at the 1st place we have to use the smallest out of this 3 given digits numbers. So 0, TH and TH. Smallest out of this 3 is 0, then comes 4, then comes 9. One number can be repeated twice. So the number 9 will be repeating twice. So greatest 4-digit number, 1 digit twice in between the 0, 4 and 9. So we get as 9940 as the correct answer, which means option C will be the correct one. Now we need smallest 3-digit number using the digit 3, 5 and 2 without repetition. Okay, so smallest has been required. Okay, whenever the smallest has been required, at the 1st place we have to move with the greatest number. So greatest out of this 2, 3 and 5. So 5 is the greatest, then comes the 3 and then comes the 2. So the smallest 3-digit number using 3, 5 and 2 without any repetition is 235. Okay, moving further. Question number 29. In the international system of numeral, we write 1 million for. Okay, in the international system when we write 1 million, how much does it counts in the Indian place value system? That is what they have asked, as the option are referring as to the lakhs and the thousands. Okay, let us check first the Indian place value system, okay, and then the international place value system. Okay, if I write Indian place value system, then ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. In compared to that, in the international system, okay, this is one is the Indian, okay, and if we count with the international, okay, ones, tens and 100 remains the same, then 1000 also there, then 10,000 also there, Okay, but what has changed is at the lakhs it comes 100,000, and then at the 10 lakhs it comes million, and here it comes 100 million. Now the things is there. What they have asked at the million, 1 million is there. Okay, what will be the value for 1 million in the Indian numeric system? It will be referring as 10 lakhs. See, here it's the 10 lakh, here it's 1 million. So 10 lakhs in the Indian numeric system. So according to the options, it will be option A, right? So option A will be the correct one. Now question number 30. Question number 30. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using any 4-digit with digit 5 always at the thousands place. Okay, thousands place we require 5. Okay, so remaining 3 is 100 tens and 1's place is remaining. We need to make the greatest number as well as the smallest number. Okay, let us go through from the first. Let us find the greatest number. Greatest number. Okay, 5 is being given at the thousands place. Okay, they have fixed it that at the thousands place we need 5. Again we need to identify the greatest 4-digit number. Single greatest number is 9. So here 3 places are remaining. So we will be putting to make it the greatest number 9. For the smallest number, again the number is fixed. At the thousands place it is 5. But for the rest of the 3 place values, 100 tens and 1's, smallest 1-digit number is 0. So we will be putting up zeros here, right? So the greatest number when 5 is at thousands place is 5999 for the 4-digit, and smallest number for 5 at the thousandth place is 5000. So according to the options, here option A will be the correct one, that is 5999, 5000.